Hello everyone, today's topic occupational and sectorial distribution of population in India. As you all know that labor is a primary factor of production and who is very useful for production purpose. The occupational structure of a country refers to the distribution of population among different occupations. Occupations are divided into three types. 1. Agriculture sector. Agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry, fishery are collectively known as primary activities. Second, industrial sector. Manufacturing industries, both small and large scale cottage industries, are known as secondary activities. Third one, territory sector. Transport, communications, banking, and finance services are collectively known as territory activities. And this territory activities is very important role as it helps both agriculture sector and industrial sector. Economic development and occupational distribution. Let us see how occupational distribution will help us to achieve economic development in a country. Transfer of population from agriculture to industry and eventually to service sector is considered as an index of economic development. According to Hansinger, economic development will be achieved by transforming 85% of agricultural dependent to just 15% in a country. As per the data here, the people who depend upon agriculture sector in the year 1951 to 71 was just 72%, and in 1991 it was declined to 67%, and in 2010 it was still declined to 51%. Whereas coming to the point of industrial sector after independence the growth was increased and it could able to provide more employment opportunities, but still the expectation was fell short because of rapid growth of population. So here the transfer of labor force from primary to secondary and secondary to service sector did not take place. If we see the data here, in 1951 the people or the working population who depend upon industrial sector is just 11%, and in 2010 it was 22%. Now territory sector. Territory sector is like an engine of economic growth. In 1951 the people who depend upon territory sector is just 17%, and in 2010 it was increased to 27%. Here we can see a tremendous change in the improvement of territory sector, which is a very important sector for the economic development. So it is clear that the occupational structure of Indian population almost remained unchanged, and still only some important changes are observed from the period of 1991 to 2010. In India, due to rapid growth of population, traditional agriculture with low labor productivity and slow growth of industrialization, occupational structure has not undergone into significant changes. Thank you. Hope you all liked my video.